Welcome. Today we achieve unprecedented efficiency with the Type 99A. Observe the armor welding, turret integration.
Welcome. Observe the scale of our production.
Impressive, isn't it?
The automated welding arms are a marvel of precision.
The cranes handle 50 tons with ease.
All right, bring her down easy. We're clear on this side.
Roger. Lowering into the frame now.
Hold it there, locked in.
Through the controlled blasting of steel shot, we achieve uniform microscopic dimpling, drastically improving the armor's fatigue resistance.
Laser finder reads 0.5 millimeter tolerance. Confirmed. Alignment is spot on. Proceed with clamping.
Approaching final position, steady descent.
Clearance looks good. Pins engaging.
Confirmed engaged. Plate is set. Secure fasteners.
Critical structural integrity relies on perfect penetration and zero defects, monitored by infrared sensors displaying temperature gradients.
Rotate the stand slowly now.
Guide that module into position.
All right, I'm starting the bolts now.
Make sure the sealant is applied evenly on this section.
Bring it down 50 millimeters. Watch the guides.
Steady. Contact confirmed.
Starting bolt sequence 1.
Hold it there. Coming down 2 millimeters on the starboard side. Copy that.
Engaging hydraulics for adjustment.
Alignment confirmed. Hold that angle steady.
I'm locked in. Ready for the tack weld.
We're holding straightness within 0.05.
Confirmed. Initiating the retraction sequence now. The rifling process creates the barrel's ability to spin stabilize the projectile, with specialists ensuring groove depth.
Rifling looks good. Advancing the probe.
Laser alignment is locked. Straightness confirmed. All parameters are green.
Start the sequence on the lower bolts, applying torque to bolt 4.
Check the tension on the hydraulics.
All right, bring it forward. Watch the alignment.
It's seated. Engaging the locking pins now.
Hydraulics engaging. Elevation checks good.
Initiating rotation sequence. Stand clear of the mechanism.
Rotation is nominal. Proceeding to load arm test.
Hydraulics engaged. Cycle complete.
Initiating power sequence now.
Copy that. Sight system online.
Rotation check looks good. Thermal imaging clear.
Connect the firing system cable next. Which port does the antenna go in? Upper left.
Hull contact confirmed. Stabilization engaged.
Roger. Teams, move in to secure the bearing race.
Installing forward bolts now. All right, slowly lower it now. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Coming down steady. Looks good here. Keep going.
All right, hold it steady. Alignment looks good.
Engaging the shaft now. It's docked. Copy that.
Proceeding with the mounting bolts.
System is pressurized. I'm checking the connections now.
Pressure holds steady. We have integrity confirmation.
Check the tolerance on that bushing again. It's within spec, ready for lubricant.
Torque is set on all bolts.
Rotation check is good. Smooth operation.
The torsion bar is inserted and the suspension arm secured. The heavy road wheel is then torqued to specification.
All right, team, guide it onto the sprocket. Keep it steady. Engaging the teeth now. Watch the alignment. Pin press is in. Tensioning the track.
Tension is set. It's within military specifications now.
Confirmed. Alignment looks good across the road wheels. Logging the data now.
Okay, lift it up. Watch the alignment pins. Got it positioned. Start the impact wrench. Ensure the locking mechanism is fully engaged on that tube.
Foam liner secured. Checking the torque on the bulkhead bolts now.
Blower is online, airflow established. How are the seal tests looking?
Holding steady.
Compartment integrity verified.
Comms check, 1, 2. Verify secure transmission. All channels operational.
Adjust the tension on the main harness connection. Testing the shock absorption mechanism.
Hydraulic lines secured. Testing steering differential. Left, right. Gear selector engaging.
Initiating autoloader cycle sequence.
Carousel aligned. Rammer engaged. Breech closed.
Confirmed. Starting traverse stabilization test.
Aligning the primary sight now. Check the alignment indicator.
Alignment confirmed. Optical path clear. The system provides critical early warning, allowing the crew to identify the threat direction and initiate automated defensive responses. Simulation complete. Active protection system is fully operational. Launcher angles verified and secured, proceeding with wiring harness connection.
Diagnostics initiated. All systems report green for launch synchronization.
The launchers are integrated with the laser warning system, capable of automatically deploying a dense multispectral obscuration screen when a threat is detected.
All right, push it back slightly. Locked in. Start securing the front left bracket. Initiating the frequency sweep on the primary data link.
Signal quality is nominal across the required ranges. Verification complete.
Applied in a fine mist, the protective clear coat deepens the camouflage colors while adding critical infrared suppressing.
I marked a small run here for touch-up. Thermal suppression checks out, ready for final tags.
The specialized primer provides rust protection for the high-strength steel, significantly extending the track's service life through enhanced corrosion protection. Precision alignment is critical. Our calibration ensures the gunner's sight perfectly corresponds with the gun bore axis for target acquisition.
All systems verified, operational, and within parameters. Checklist complete.
Copy that. Mechanical readiness confirmed.
Exterior checks complete, paint quality confirmed.
Systems integration verified. All parameters green.
All right, initiating final acceptance signature.
The pivot radius meets specifications.
Target identified, 2,000 meters. Stab it up.
Gunner, fire! Stand by for follow-up.
Loading the finalized documentation onto the ruggedized drives. And the printed guides are ready for the crew compartments. The preservation process ensures these tanks remain in perfect condition regardless of storage duration or transportation conditions.
All green on the front mounts. Tensioning the rear starboard chain now. Confirmed, secure. Check tension on the forward starboard chain. Compliance check complete. Ready for transport.
Documentation confirmed. The shipment is yours.
Acknowledged. We have authorization to depart.
Based on the microanalysis, the crystalline structure shows deformation but no catastrophic failure.
That aligns with the impact data. It meets the threshold for acceptance.
After specialized heat treatment, every batch of armor steel undergoes rigorous quality control, verifying optimal hardness and toughness.
Automated equipment places components with robotic precision before reflow soldering. Technicians assemble thermal imaging sensors.
Be mindful of the heat input right here. You almost warped it. But your technique has improved significantly. Congratulations on your certification.
Ensure the micrometer is calibrated before applying gentle, consistent pressure to the component.
We have a red indicator on the turret assembly line, Station 4. Supply chain estimates as a delay on the hydraulics components.
That pallet needs to go to quality hold area 3. Copy that. Moving it now.
Make sure the documentation is attached before it moves.
Comprehensive environmental management systems enable responsible, high-volume manufacturing, protecting both workers and the environment.
Authorization confirmed. Proceed through the scanner slowly.
The comprehensive safety and welfare programs protect our most valuable asset for our skilled workforce, enabling the
The simulation results confirm the enhanced armor performance. We can reduce the weight significantly.
Good. Let's push this configuration to the prototype team.
As you can see on slide 4, our quarterly output increased by 20%. This ensures we meet the delivery targets for the M1 Abrams program.
Control, Crane 3 is ready for transport.
Acknowledged. Team B, secure that weld before the move.
Today we celebrate the completion of the 500th tank this year. This achievement is a testament to your dedication and hard work. Thank you all.
The translated manuals are complete and accurate. Good.
The conformal coating and ballistic plates meet the specifications for our region.
If we switch these two, the movement is much smoother. Let's time it. We just saved half a second per cycle.
That confirms the improvement.
Proper technique is critical for quality.
Understanding these schematics is essential.
We are proud to welcome the next generation of skilled workers.
Quadrants. The predictive models suggest we can push utilization even higher without risking failure.
Agreed.
Sophisticated energy management systems analyze consumption patterns, optimize motor speeds and lighting, and
routine inspection ensures these critical components remain ready, guaranteeing defense production even during supply chain disruptions.
This is where the tolerance is critical for the tank assembly. We adjust the calibration frequency as noted here then. Exactly. That ensures compliance with the new standard.
The new layout significantly reduces the bottleneck at Station 4.
Capacity analysis confirms a 15% increase in throughput.
The yield data confirms the process is stable within the new parameters.
The cycle time improvement is significant.
Initiating system test on Sector 4.
Circuits verified. All modules green. Installation complete. In the cold chamber, we verify the engine starts reliably at minus 40 degrees Celsius.
All checks complete, verified operational.
Quality assurance signed off.
Accepted for military service.
We formally hand over these tanks, vital for national defense.
This package confirms the spare parts allocation and maintenance protocols.
Convoy actual to all stations, move to checkpoint 1.
Moving now, actual.
Checkpoint 1 secured.
All right, pull the schematic for the auxiliary power unit. It sounds like a relay issue.
The reliability data suggests this is an emerging issue. We need to brief the retrofit team immediately. We delivered 500 tanks on schedule, a testament to overcoming the supply chain challenges reviewed here. Now, let's turn to next year's strategic planning.
These ballistic results confirm the composite's potential for the next generation vehicles.
My team at the factory is ready.
As you can see, the Type 99A's mobility in extreme conditions is unmatched.
What are the maintenance intervals for the power pack in that environment?
This advanced development work ensures our technological leadership, integrating unmanned turrets, silent hybrid.
We honor those who achieved excellence in quality and safety. Your hard work directly...
DOC confirms continuity protocols initiated, all systems green.
Evacuation teams report clear. Stand by for external coordination update.
Unauthorized access attempt detected. Initiating lockdown protocols. Source identified. Deploying countermeasures. Threat neutralized.
In the Precision Metrology Laboratory, the CMM probe measures three-dimensional geometry, ensuring components meet the exigencies. From tensile strength and toughness verification to microstructure analysis and chemical composition, our comprehensive testing ensures...
This interface controls the fire suppression system. Now, let's look at the hydraulic pressure readings during the track adjustment.
The massive hydraulic launching mechanism engages, smoothly extending the folding bridge.
Chassis are converted to armored recovery vehicles, receiving heavy recovery equipment like this massive winch, capable of 70-ton pulling force.
Verify the high explosive round. Lot number B, correctional 09er.
Confirmed. Loading now.
Autoloader secure. Documentation updated.
Verify the thermal sight alignment.
Aligning now. Stand by for confirmation.
Driver, prepare to move forward on my command.
Kilo lead, shifting to assault formation, moving through the smoke.
Roger, lead. Providing cover fire, advancing now. Target identified. Fire, HEAT.
Firing up. Coax engage.
Engaging with CWS. Pop smoke.
All systems verified operational.
Ammunition loaded and secured.
Echo 7, we are combat ready, awaiting operational duties.
Ensure the new fire control system is calibrated.
We're securing the final armor package and initiating engine diagnostics.
Stabilization system is showing an intermittent error code. Let's check the cable connection on the primary sensor array first. I'm running the automated test sequence now.
We honor 50 years of legacy and the generations of workers who built over 15,000 tanks.
This expansion will increase our capacity by 50%, allowing us to produce 750 tanks annually to meet growing defense requirements.
Thank you. This award validates our commitment to excellence, recognizing our team's achievement